Thank you for your time today. We're here to present the Knottec system from Power Adhesives. It is a fast, effective wood repair system for filling knots in many industries, for wood flooring, for window and door manufacturing, cabinet production, anything basically that you're trying to increase the yield or the look of the usable wood stock or wood or boards that you're working with. So today I'm going to do a quick presentation on how to fill knots, trim the excess material, and then sand and prepare the surface for finish. So the Knottec product is basically a hot melt adhesive system. It's a nylon-based material that's very durable, hard, wears and moves a lot like the wood itself. So the core benefits of the product are speed. If you're used to using other fills, other methods, you may have to mix or you may have issues with products cracking or shrinking. The way the Knottec product works is 100% solid. So once it dries, it's finished. So you won't have to come back the next day and add additional because you've got a concave area where you've made a fill. Also, the product sands very similar to the wood itself. So you don't have additional processing or work required to get the look of the fill area very similar to the rest of the board. So the kit is available. The main kit that we sell is our Tech 820 glue gun kit. It's comprised of our industrial Tech 820 glue gun. This is a 250 watt industrial glue gun with adjustable temperature. We set it for this application from the factory, so even though it has an adjustable temperature here, for the most part, it's not something that's required to be adjusted from one job to the next. Okay, the kit's comprised of the gun in a handy storage case. You have 2 aluminum heat sink blocks. You have a keychain that shows all 15 colors of the Knottec material. So we have our mouse plane, which literally is designed a bit like a mouse with its cheese here over the blade. And that is designed to give us a flush trim on the surface without gouging or damaging. We also have a glue saver, which we'll show you here in a bit. And the kit comes with a multi-pack of 6 different colors of the adhesive. So it gives you just enough to be able to see or do some small things with the pack that comes in the kit. The Knottec product itself, the fill repair rods, are packed in retail resealable 5-stick packs of individual colors. We offer 15 colors, which gives a nice color mat, anything from whites and ivories all the way down to darks, dark blacks and colas. It's a nice package. Important thing, the packages themselves do have a desiccant inside, and it is a resealable pack. The polyamide-based adhesives can absorb moisture, so you always want to make sure to reseal the pack whenever you remove a stick. Okay, and a shelf life as far as time on a pack like this is about 2 years. So if you use a few sticks, keep it sealed. You've got plenty of time to go through 5 sticks. Okay, so the process is very simple. You have an illuminated on-off switch on the Tech 820 glue gun. Simply turn it on. It will take the gun 3 to 4 minutes to get to operating temperature. Once to temperature, you'll see it's very easy to pull the trigger and extrude the adhesive. So the process of repair, a damaged area in the wood, we encourage you to take a small chisel or something and try to remove as much loose material as you can. Take the industrial glue gun, slightly overfill the area with the Knottec product. And this is where the aluminum heat sink blocks come in. So the blocks do 2 things. They compress the adhesive, which actually helps the adhesive securely bond into that repair. So it's not only just laying in as a filler, it actually is an adhesive that's there, so that prevents it from cracking out or moving. The aluminum heat sink block also cools the adhesive very quickly to speed the process. So after about a minute's time, this aluminum block, we can just ping it away. I always encourage, you can take your finger, fill the area. If it's still warm, give it another minute or so. You can even return the heatsink block. But if it feels cool, ambient temperature, then you can take the mouse plane and simply remove the excess material. and the fill is complete. So as you see, that's simple. We then would say to take a sanding pad or a scuffer pad. You can use that to kind of clean up the area. You've got some additional fill around. You could even use a small palm sander, variable speed palm sander here to speed up the process if you'd like. And that is a completed fill in literally seconds. And then this is the look you would get once a finish or what have you is applied to that area. So that is the Knottec system, showing a couple additional things that come in the kit and how to use those. The kit also has a tech mat, which is a silicone drip mat. So if we apply any or drip any of the adhesive onto that, within a few seconds that's going to cool, and basically you can peel the material off and throw it away. So that's the designed to protect the surface if you're working on someone's floor, or basically to help you keep a clean work area. The other piece that comes in is called the glue saver. The glue saver is that we designed as a way to save the adhesive if you're changing from one color to the other. Additionally, you can use it to mix colors. So if you were looking for a bit more mineral streaking or what have you in the filled area, you can actually take the glue sticks and cut them into 2 to 3 inch lengths. And you could, for example, take black and follow in behind with oak, and you'll start to get a mineral streaking of a lighter color and a darker color in the same filled area. So to use the glue saver, place it on the silicone mat. You'll see that there are 4 half-inch diameter ports or holes here that will fill, and on each side there's actually a injection port where you place the nozzle of the glue gun. So place the glue saver on the mat, insert the nozzle of the gun into the port, and then basically slowly fill that area, and just similar to the knot until you've got it slightly filled above the surface. Once that cools, it'll shrink down a bit, and then after 4 or 5 minutes time, you can push out a little 2-inch glue stick, which you can then pass back through the glue gun. So it allows you, as I said, to save the adhesive if you're going from one color to the other. So this is a nice little addition to the product that can help you be creative if you're mixing colors, or it can help you save product for future use if you're needing to change a color from one to the other. So that's the Knottec system. As I said, the core benefit for it is speed, and it's a durable bond that's easy to use and very repeatable. So you can get it in and out quickly, save as much time and money as possible. Thank you very much.